Hey guys, this is Jamilla King, and today I'm going to freshen up the paint on this wooden porch swing using Rust-Oleum's new Custom Spray 5-in-1. As you can see, the swing is already primed and ready to go, so we'll get right into painting. First, I'm going to use the vertical fan to paint the longer slats on the seat of the swing. The shape of this fan works great for covering all these little pieces individually, and it gives each of these sections a smooth finish. You can even see some of that nice wood grain come through. Now I'll switch to the horizontal fan to paint the taller slats on the back of the swing. This horizontal fan is also going to be a great option for longer pieces. You can see that the shape of the fan is wide enough to cover 2 of the slats at a time, but then I'm going back and touching up what I missed. Now I really want to get into these corners, so I'm going to use low output. This sprays a lower volume of paint so that I can paint tighter corners without a bunch of drips and overspray. It's just the right amount to get into these small spaces and cover the edge pieces. And finally, I'll go in with standard to do the arms and the sides of the swing. This is a good starter setting for any shape you're painting, and it works really well for these medium-sized pieces. Now we'll touch up any details we missed with standard, and we're done. This swing is going to go right in my backyard, so now we're ready for summer. Be sure to watch the rest of the videos in this series to learn how Rust-Oleum's Custom Spray 5-in-1 can help you spray anything.